Hi, I am Arib. You are watching my YouTube channel. Why safety is important for workers and the general public. Introduction. Safety is one of the most important aspects of any workplace and public environment. Whether at industrial sites, construction areas, electrical installations, or in everyday life, following safety rules helps prevent injuries, protect lives, and avoid damage to equipment and property. A strong safety culture creates awareness, promotes responsibility, and ensures that everyone can work and live in a secure environment. Importance of safety for workers. Safety is essential for workers because they are directly exposed to various hazards such as electrical shocks, falls, moving machinery, fires, toxic substances, and adverse weather conditions. Proper safety measures, including the use of personal protective equipment, PPE, following standard operating procedures, and receiving regular safety training, significantly reduce the risk of accidents and occupational illnesses. Safe working practices improve workers' confidence and morale, allowing them to perform their duties effectively and efficiently. Moreover, maintaining safety standards helps organizations reduce downtime, avoid costly repairs, and maintain continuous operations. Most importantly, safety ensures that workers return home safely to their families after completing their work. Importance of safety for electrical workers. Electrical workers face unique and potentially fatal hazards such as electric shock, arc flash, arc blast, burns, and electrocution. Therefore, strict compliance with electrical safety procedures is critical. Isolating power sources, verifying the absence of voltage, using insulated tools, wearing arc-rated PPE, and maintaining safe working distances are necessary precautions that protect electrical personnel from serious injuries and fatalities. Electrical safety not only safeguards workers but also ensures the reliability and stability of the electrical system and prevents damage to valuable equipment. Importance of safety for the general public. Safety is equally important for the general public because unsafe conditions can affect anyone, including children, pedestrians, and nearby residents. Exposed electrical wires, damaged poles, overloaded circuits, and unauthorized access to electrical installations can cause serious accidents, fires, and loss of life. Public awareness and compliance with safety instructions help prevent such incidents. Warning signs, barriers, and proper maintenance of electrical systems provide additional protection to the community. Educating the public about staying away from fallen power lines, avoiding contact with electrical equipment, and reporting dangerous conditions can save lives and prevent disasters. Safety prevents accidents and losses. Accidents often result in injuries, fatalities, financial losses, legal liabilities, and damage to equipment and infrastructure. Implementing safety procedures minimizes these risks and reduces maintenance costs, compensation claims, and production losses. Prevention is always more effective and less expensive than dealing with the consequences of accidents. A well-established safety system benefits workers, employers, and society as a whole. Role of safety training and awareness. Regular safety training and awareness programs help workers and the public understand potential hazards and the correct methods to avoid them. Emergency preparedness, first aid knowledge, Fire prevention techniques and hazard identification improve response during emergencies and reduce the severity of incidents. Continuous education fosters a culture where safety becomes a shared responsibility rather than merely a set of rules. Benefits of maintaining safety standards. Maintaining safety standards leads to higher productivity, improved quality of work, reduced absenteeism, lower operational costs, and increased employee satisfaction. Safe workplaces and communities experience fewer disruptions and greater trust among employees and the public. Organizations with strong safety records also enjoy better reputations and long-term success. Conclusion. Safety is not merely a requirement, it is a responsibility shared by workers, employers, and the general public. Every accident is preventable when proper precautions are taken. By following safety regulations, using appropriate protective equipment, and promoting awareness, lives can be protected, property can be preserved, and a safe and healthy environment can be ensured for present and future generations. Safety is everyone's responsibility, and no job is so urgent that it cannot be done safely.